Hi there, welcome back to my channel Chioma TV, your go-to channel for breaking down personal finance, business tips, and how to build wealth the only smart way. In today's video, we will be diving into something every financially smart person should know: the type of finance in financial management. Whether you are a student, an entrepreneur, or just trying to level up your money mindset, this video is for you. So hit the like button, subscribe, and let's make money talk make sense. What exactly is finance? In a simple terms, finance is the management of money. It's how individuals, businesses, and governments plan, raise, spend, and invest money to achieve their goal. And in financial management, finance is broken down into three main types: personal finance, corporate finance, and public finance. Each one plays a major role in how money flows and grows in different parts of life and the economy. Let's break them down. Let's start with personal finance, probably the one that affects you the most. This is all about managing your money, budgeting, saving, investing, managing debt, insurance, and retirement plan. Think about questions like, how much should I save each month? How do I build an emergency fund? What is the best investment for beginner? Personal finance is what helps you build wealth over time. It helps you avoid money traps and live stress-free financially. Next is corporate finance, the money side of running a business. Company needs money to grow, right? Launch products, pay staff, and survive hard time. Corporate finance helps answer questions like, should we take a loan or sell shares? Where should we invest for best returns? How do we manage our cash flow daily? It's about maximizing profit and minimizing risks so the company can thrive. And finally, we have public finance. This deals with how governments manage money, from collecting taxes to funding healthcare, school, and infrastructures, which is public finance help the economy run smoothly. Have you ever wondered why countries borrow money or how budgets are built? That is public finance in action. Do you know that some countries spend more than they earn, leading to national debt? Smart public finance keeps that under control. Now let's talk about types of finance you should know. The ones that are trading globally: international finance, which is cross-border money flow, forex, and global investment. 2 is behavioral finance, which is the psychology behind financial decisions. Green and ESG finance, which is investing in sustainable, social, responsible companies. These are rising area in finance world, especially for those interested in ethical investing in global career. So there you have it, the three main types of finance in financial management and why they matter to you. Now I want to hear from you. Which type of finance are you most interested in? Personal, business, or public? Drop in the comments below. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, like, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart money tips every week. Thank you. Bye.
Chioma Media, light in the storm.